This week's Market Monitor likes strong growth companies he says can do well in any macroeconomic environment. This is his first time joining us on the program. He is Joe Dennison, Portfolio Manager at Zevenbergen Capital Investments. Welcome. Nice to have you here.
Thank you. Great to be here.
Joe, you also mentioned that you want founder-led, company-centric business models, correct?
Yes, that's correct. We love strong growth companies, like you said, customer-obsessed, founder-led. Find that founders have a much longer term vision, and over the long term it's this revenue and earnings growth that drives stock prices.
Let's start with your first pick, and that's Netflix. Why do you love it?
Sure, Netflix, we think it's clear that all TV is moving towards on-demand streaming. Millennials like myself are not going to schedule our lives around primetime viewing windows, and Netflix is the clear global leader. They've got the largest, most compelling content library and a differentiated economic model that doesn't rely on advertising. U.S. business proves the model can work profitably and now launched in 130 countries this year. We think subscribers and material profits will follow.
Okay, founder-led kind of defines your next pick, which is Tesla. To put it mildly, you've owned it since the IPO.
That's correct. We've owned Tesla since the IPO in 2010, and skeptics at the time didn't think they could build a single car from the ground up. And here we are today, the clear technology leader in electric vehicles in a market where we haven't seen a competitor bring a compelling product to market yet. Just this year, the company launched their Model 3 mass market vehicle and saw pre-orders vastly outpace any expectations. The $17 billion in revenue potential from that is more than double the best iPhone release weekend in history. So it comes down to execution, and we'll continue to put our faith in management team has hit on all of our targets so far.
You know, you can go ahead and not schedule your life around television, except for nightly business report, okay?
That's right.
Joe, you'll do that, all right? I don't even know whether we're
on
Netflix.
The DVR.
Your third is called XPO Logistics, not a company I know much about.
Yeah, XPO Logistics, another example of a strong management team applying technology to an old industry. They're a third-party logistics provider consolidating a very fragmented market, layering in their technology to rapidly take market share. CEO Brad Jacobs has proven success with a similar business plan, rolling up United Waste and United Rentals. Key driver for the company is the shift of shopping online. As more and more goods are sold online, the shipping complexity and demand has risen significantly.
Okay. We got to go. Thank you so much for joining us. Great to have you on the program. Joe Dennison with Zevenbergen Capital Investments.